Mix these 4 ingredients to help you power like a horse. If you want to boost up your immune system and you want to always power like a horse, try these 4 ingredients. Come and thank me later. But before I proceed on these 4 ingredients, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers, people that support this channel. May God support you in all your life endeavors. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are the 4 ingredients you need to mix together to help you power like a horse and to help you boost up your immune system? These 4 ingredients are very powerful. They are tested and trusted. But if you cannot blend the 2 among these 4, you can chew them and drink the remaining 2. You will still get the same result, whether you blend or you did not blend. Once you consume these 4 at the same time, you will still get the same results. So if you want to perform well, you want to boost up your immune system, and you want to power like a horse, just try these 4 ingredients. You will come back and give me testimony. What are the 4 ingredients? Number 1, which is very important, is cashew. Number 2 is date nuts. Number 3 is milk. And the last is honey. These are the 4 ingredients that will help you achieve a good immune system or to boost up your immune system. Now, how are you going to go with these 4 ingredients? Take cashew, that is fried one, cashew nuts, and put it in a blender. Also add date nuts after removing the seed, that is the solid seed. Blend these 2, or you can even add honey and milk at the same time and blend all. Blend it so that the dates and the cashew will be in a powdered form for you to get the normal particle. Now, after blending it with honey and milk, do not filter, do not boil or heat, just take it like that. You will get a good result. Now, on how you don't have a blender, you want to consume it by masticating or chewing the 2 ingredients. You can do the same by taking dates and cashew. After that, you can drink honey and milk. Just do it consistently, at least 3 times every week for complete 1 month. Watch your immune system, watch your performance, and watch you as a man, the way you feel. You will have weight. You will be the best man you want to be, and you will always be or power like a horse. It will help you boost up your immune system. Remember, when your immune system is in order, or when you have a good immune system, that is when you as a man will perform well. You will power like a horse. But if your immune system is too poor, when it can't be able to fight disease or germs, it will make you not to perform well, and you can never do what you are supposed to do as a man. But if your immune system is in order, that is when you will perform well as a man. So how are you going to achieve all this? It is only when your immune system is in order. And with today's recipe, you can achieve a good immune system. So that is it for today's video. And that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, subscribe to be a member of this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck, and I believe that this will give you a benefit, or you will get a benefit for making or taking this recipe. It works. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.